During the development cycle, it's possible that you'll identify a possibility to improve the functionality of your project. Agile doesn't limit us to just doing the exact things which are on the backlog. It does give us the option to create what is called a spike. A spike is not planned work, and it is exploratory in nature. Imagine you were working on a project where you were writing different types of letters to people, and there are 20 different types of templates for the letters that you could write. Initially, this may be recorded on your backlog as 20 individual user stories, one for each letter. This means that, as things stand, the developers are going to write almost identical code 20 times. You could identify this fact and instead agree a spike with the developers, whereby one of them explores whether it's possible to create some generic letter writing functionality, which can then be reused for each of the letter templates, which will make the product more robust, but also, as importantly, it will reduce the amount of time it takes to complete the actual user stories. It is, however, entirely possible that the developers will turn around and say that they don't think it is possible to create such a generic functionality, in which case all of that time spent exploring whether it is possible would be wasted. The important thing to remember about spikes is that first they must be agreed with the developers, and there must be a potential outcome which will be beneficial in terms of helping the project. But there is usually an inherent risk that it won't help the project and the time will be wasted. For this reason, it must be agreed specifically with the product owner before any work is started on any spikes. The product owner, after all, isn't going to pay you to explore normally. They want you to do the work that they're paying you to do. Like user stories, the functionality created out of a spike is also incorporated into user acceptance testing, which is going to be the subject of our next video. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.